Command pattern is one of the behavioral design pattern where we encapsulate the functionality to a different object and let other class or object invoke it. Like in this example, we have moved remote from each of the equipment and decoupled it to a remote object which can be initialized and invoked by either TV or music player to turn on or off or play respective media. We will check this in details. Stay tuned. Let's create a command interface. We will have an abstract method execute. Now let's implement the respective device like set-top box, so set-top box will have on-off functionality. In on function, we will print set-top box is on. And in off method, we will print set-top box is off. Even we can set channel, so in set channel method, we will pass channel number as an argument. To keep it simple, I'll print the set-top box is set to channel default channel number. We can even control the volume from set-top box. In set volume method, we will print set-top box volume is set to input volume. Next, we will have a class to turn on the set-top box. Here we will implement command interface, and on command method we will call set-top box functionality. For this we need to first have a set-top box object. So we will override the constructor and assign set-top box to this dot set-top box. And on execute method we will call set-top box is on. Set-top box dot set channel, set-top box dot set volume, and we will pass default volume and default channel number. Similarly, we will have set-top box off command to turn off the set-top box. We need to pass the set-top box which we want to turn off. We will do it in constructor and assign it to this dot set-top box. And on execute method, we will call set-top box dot off. we will create our client class, and in public static main method, we will create a remote control object. We need to define its class. In set command method, we will take command as an input and assign it to this.command. And remote.press button, we will invoke command.execute. Now in client class, we will create a set-top box object. And in remote set command, we will create new set-top box on command and pass turn on the above created set-top box. And when we press the button, it will invoke on command execute method, which in turn invokes set-top box on and set channel and set volume. Similarly, off command will trigger set-top box off method. Let's check it out. Remote.press command and run the program. Yeah, the set-top box is on and the default channel is set to 312 with volume 11. Similarly, we can create TV object and control it using same remote. In TV class, we will have on and off method. In on, we will print TV is on, and in off method, we will print TV is off. And this method will be invoked by TV on command class. And in TV off command execute method, we will invoke tv.off. So in user class, remote is not tightly coupled with either set-top box or TV. In remote.set command, we can assign TV on command and pass TV object. TV on command should implement command interface, and same goes to TV off command also. We'll press the remote. And after we are done watching any film, we'll turn off the set-top box and pass the old set-top box, and then turn off the TV. So we can see that it has been executed successfully. This is a simple example of command design pattern where we decouple the implementation from the actual object. That's all for this tutorial. Don't forget to hit the like button, share and subscribe for upcoming video tutorials. See you again in next tutorial.